You had a bad experience with relationships in past.
Let's directly get Oh my god, मतलब ये वाला मुझे बहुत आया. Okay, this one is a little offensive. I'm choosy for everything.
You were topper in the school and college. Not at all.
बहुत बेइज्जती करवा रही बंदी है. नहीं ये झूठ है, ये झूठ है. Yeah, it's a correct one. People know me. My followers know me. That's true. Who is this? Who is this? Hey yo, Kim Cho YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all assumptions about me, and Shujal is going to read them out loud for me, and let's see how many assumptions from you guys will be right or wrong. Now you know what the video is going to be about, so मैं ज़्यादा बड़बड़ नहीं करने वाली. Let's directly get on to our first assumption. चलो.
So your first assumption is you are an introvert and extrovert both.
Okay, that's correctly right because yeah, I am an introvert for people I don't know, and I am an extrovert for people I know. मतलब completely खुल जाती हूँ with my people, so yeah, I am combination of both. You're right. Next one is
That you are married.
oh my god, मतलब ये वाला मुझे बहुत आया है. And other than married, I also got this assumptions that I have a kid. So basically I made a video with my bhatija and everyone is assuming that he's my kid. मतलब ये क्या है guys? What are you saying? I'm not even married and not even having a kid. वो मेरा भतीजा है and I just love babies, so it's out of love that I make videos with them. This assumption is a flop.
Okay, the next one is somewhere I heard that you had a nose surgery.
I mean, do I look like I've done a nose surgery? Because फिर तो मेरा अच्छा दिखता ना. That's the only conscious part of my face that I have is my nose. So I haven't done it yet. I am sure I won't even do it. मुझे natural पसंद है, जैसा भी है ठीक है यार. However it is. So yeah, again a wrong one.
The next one is that you're born with a silver spoon.
Okay, this one is a little offensive because see, even if born or not born with a silver spoon, I have always been taught to stand on my own shoes, and that's what I've been doing. Whatever I did, I have started it all by my own, and then currently also everything I'm doing on my own. So having a silver spoon or not is not like connected to this at all. So yeah.
People think that you are not happy with your recent haircut.
This one also I think I've got a lot, right? So people are assuming that I'm not happy with my haircut. I am really very happy with my haircut. Main तो ये है कि जो झंझट होती थी of tying your hair again and again, and then the गर्मी in Mumbai is too much, so वो तो मेरा solution solve हो गया, and I think it's really suiting me. So जिसको पसंद आए उसको आए, जिसको ना आए वो ना आए, but मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया है. I'm loving it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will see I'm styling like my hair, short hair in so many different ways also. So I think I'm pretty much enjoying my short hair.
You had a bad experience with relationships in past.
Yeah, so whether it be friendship or any sort of relationship, I think we all have that bad experience in our life, and I think it's necessary also, जिससे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिलता है and you learn a lot. But yeah, that phase has been tough, and I'm sure whosoever has been through this phase would have been tough only. But yeah, you will get through it and you will learn a lot, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, it's a correct one. People know me, my followers know me.
Next one, that you are most mischievous in your house.
That's true because मतलब मैं randomly कहीं भी बैठी रहूँगी या मैं कुछ भी कर रही होगी, मैं ऐसी आवाज़ निकालती हूँ, मैं कुछ भी गाती हूँ, मैं कुछ भी करती हूँ. I sit like a tomboy, छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, वो बदमाश बच्चा. That is me in my house. मतलब मैं इतना मतलब कुछ भी करती हूँ randomly. If my brother is sitting, I just shadowify him. All of that. I just do all of that. So even this one is right. Actually, school maybe I was the mischievous one. So not only at house, everywhere. I'm the backbencher type. Yeah.
Moving on. You carry a heavy heart some days and definitely know how to keep it to yourself.
Yeah, that's true. इस पे मैं ज़्यादा clarification नहीं दे रही हूँ. It's just true. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the next one, that your father is your best friend.
Yes, he is. In fact, my father, my mother, and my brother. So all of them are like my best friends. They support me in everything I do. So yeah, I'm pretty much blessed with that fact.
So again, this one is true.
Yeah,
So your followers knows you very well.
very well.
You were topper in the school and college.
I think Shrujal would like to say something on this.
Matlab, not at all. Like topper, not at all. She used to struggle to study for her exams. Like legit struggle. I've seen her like, you know, doing what all.
बस
जाने
बस
तो मुझे बोलना
बहुत बेइज्जती होगी, बहुत बेइज्जती होगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं गाइस, ये झूठ बोल रही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
But you were an average student, like I can give that.
Yeah, it's just that I was not interested only. मतलब मेरा ये था कि मुझे पढ़ना ही नहीं है. Because I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to get into fashion and something like that. So I knew that. And then theory and all, she was really good at it. And I was like, I was good at practical. She has to agree.
Yeah, I agree that.
So practical जो करना था, crafting, stitching, वो सब, I was really good at it. But yeah, theory मुझसे मत करवाओ, मुझे पढ़ना ही नहीं है. So that is why. But yeah, मैं 2 दिन पहले कुछ ना कुछ करके जुगाड़ करके कर लेती थी. And yeah, I used to
But
pass
you
with
scored,
good
you
grades.
scored well
Yeah,
also. In
yeah.
fashion designing also you started and
Yeah.
you scored well.
बोर्ड्स में भी अच्छे आए हैं.
अच्छे
So ऐसा था ना कि अगर मेरे को करना होता पढ़ाई and then if I wanted to, I would have scored well, but I didn't want only. So ठीक है.
People think that you are not friendly, maybe a bitch. Ooh la la.
Whoever assumes this can be right because मतलब right in the fact that जब तक मुझे मिलोगे नहीं और मेरे से बात नहीं करोगे तब तक you will not know how much friendly or open I am. So if you just see me through social media or if you have just seen me with someone or something like that and never try to talk to me, you will never know and you will never get clarified about this. But ये मुझे बहुत आता है कि आप में बहुत attitude रहेगा ये वो. But मैं यही बोलूँगी, if you meet me, your mindset will change probably. So yeah.
So this is not a correct one.
Okay.
That you never open about your feelings so easily.
Who is this? Who is this? Yeah, it's true. I'm like very less expressive. It takes a lot of me to express myself because of experiences as well. And then in person also, I'm a very being in my own shell and that type of a person. So
That your eyebrows are fake.
यार मतलब क्या करके बताऊँ I mean they are too real. Actually ऐसा है कि hair growth इतना है ना कि I get fed up sometimes. So maybe उस वजह से लगता होगा, but no, they are completely like real.
So this is the wrong one. Moving on. You don't like to collaborate with other influencers.
Who is assuming this? मतलब कहाँ से आया? This is not at all true. I mean, I would love to obviously create content with my fellow influencers and all of them. मुझे तो और मजा आता है because you know my content would be different, their content would be different, and we could like mingle up and create something magic. So I'm open for all influencer collaborations.
Maybe just due to COVID that you know you guys are.
Yeah, maybe because हम मिल नहीं पा रहे सारे. पहले तो we used to make. So maybe because of that you assuming?
You are choosy for food.
Choosy for food? Actually, I'm choosy for everything.
Everything.
But yeah, for food, if बोला जाए तो हाँ, actually I'm more of choosy and moody for food. मुझे जो जब मन करेगा तब मैं खाऊंगी because मेरा कोई favorite तो है नहीं, मुझे सब पसंद है. आपने गुजराती छे, so we like everything and it's just yeah, choosy and moody. Choosy तो मैं हूँ, choosy मैं हर चीज में हूँ.
You are so kind, but most of the people misunderstand you.
Oh my god, I'm shocked. Yeah. Because maybe I feel I am actually brutally honest. मतलब मुझे जो होता है मैं मुंह पे बोल देती हूँ. So maybe because of that people tend to misunderstand me. But ठीक है यार, जिसको समझना होगा वो समझ लेगा. It's okay, लोड नहीं है. अपने तो समझते ही है ना. So no issues. मतलब it's like I am not expressive in some genre and some category, but in general I am a very honest going person and जो भी हो मुंह पे बोल दे. But feelings express करनी बात आती है ना तो तभी थोड़ा दिल तो बच्चा है जी वाला सीन हो जाता है, बाकी कुछ नहीं.
Okay, the next question is like that way. You too much angry in small things.
नहीं ये झूठ है. It is true. मुझे एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना.
You're not angry. Angry is like a.
मतलब I get annoyed
Yeah.
in small things. It's just that मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होगी या कुछ मुझे जो पसंद नहीं है वो तरीके से नहीं होगी.
Especially in work, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Like you want.
थोड़ा particular भी बोल सकता है इसको कि if I don't like things to be in that particular way, तो मैं थोड़ी हाँ piss off हो जाती हूँ. In general भी, yeah, a little short temper is okay, right?
You feel depressed at times because you do hard work but not growing enough.
So I don't feel depressed because I put in my 100% efforts and I know somehow उसका outcome आ ही जाएगा. And other than that मुझे पसंद आता है कोई भी content या कुछ भी बनाना. So if the outcome is not coming, that's fine. But yeah, it's that human tendency that you feel bad कि यार इतनी मेहनत की थी इसमें इतना क्यों नहीं ये वो ये feel तो obviously होता है. But then yeah, back and I know that मेहनत का कुछ तो फल आएगा ही. So not to worry much about this factor and depressed तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I'm all chill. You guys will like one content, एक नहीं पसंद आया तो कुछ तो पसंद आएगा ना. कुछ तो पसंद आएगा मेरा. So लोड नहीं है.
You love shopping clothes more than makeup products.
Yeah, of course. मतलब ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा सच है. बट यार इसीलिए मैंने बहुत सारा मेकअप भी स्टार्ट कर लिया शॉप करना. बट या आई एम मोर ऑफ अ क्लोथ्स पर्सन मोर देन अ मेकअप पर्सन. आई वुड लव शॉपिंग क्लोथ्स एनी टाइम एनी डे एनीवेयर.
You don't do any house chores.
झूठ है.
Auntie, Rajvi's mom.
पर्सनली आई लाइक माई रूम एंड माई सराउंडिंग टू बी क्लीन. मुझे सा मूड वाला OCD है. मूड वाला कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब आई एम वेरी लेजी तो आई एम नॉट गोना डू. आई एम जस्ट गोना ले अराउंड चाहे बाजू में कुछ भी हो. बट व्हेन इन दैट मूड कि मुझे क्लीन चाहिए सब, सो आई जस्ट स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग एवरीथिंग एंड देन आई गेट चिड़वाई कि ये क्या है, ये क्यों यार रखा है ऐसे. ये सब तो होता ही है. एंड अदर देन दैट या आई डू हेल्प. जैसे या अभी कोरोना के टाइम जब मेड्स वगैरह नहीं आ रहे थे, आई यूज टू लाइक झाड़ू बोलता. आई यूज टू हेल्प दैट वे. सो कर लेती हूँ यार. थोड़ी काम छोड़ हूँ मैं बट लेजी तो बोल सकते हैं.
Now this is the last one. You always love to do normal things, adding your own spice.
Yes. Ta-da! Yes, I love to do it that way because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई भी चीज़ ट्रेंडिंग है या कुछ भी है, so many people are watching the same stuff, so why not people watch the same trend in some another way. And I like to do it that way. I like to stand out a little bit in any aspect. So yeah, that's a true one as well. काफ़ी जानते हो आप लोग मेरे बारे में. ये गलत है, मुझे पता नहीं था. But I'm happy. You should know me because you guys are my family. So yeah. Cool. I guess these were the few assumptions that we got down, and other than that बहुत सारे compliments दिए थे आप लोगों ने. You guys have always been like a motivation to me. Every time जब भी hype चाहिए होता है मुझे, I love it. You guys always do it in your best way. So yeah, love you all guys. जिन्होंने भी मुझे बहुत सारे compliments दिए, बहुत सारे inspiration दिए, बहुत सारा बोला कि assumptions तो कुछ नहीं है but you are amazing. ये सब बहुत सारे आए थे. So yeah, I love you guys. And yeah, मुझे पता तो चल गया कि आप लोग मुझे जानते हो. चलो अच्छी बात है. If ऐसा बहुत ऐसे होता ना कि मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं जानते, so I've been थोड़ा नाराज because I do keep mentioning कुछ ना कुछ on my stories and everywhere. I assume कि उसी से आप लोग ने कुछ ना कुछ assume किया होगा. So we are going to wind up for today. These were some fun assumptions that I wanted to answer, and do let me know what you guys want to see more on this channel. I will be considering all of that, and do comment so I can note down all of your demands. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. ये तो mandatory है, which you know. So do it if you haven't yet. And Instagram पे तो आपको मुझे follow करना ही पड़ेगा जाके जल्दी because मैं वहाँ पे बहुत सारा content डालती रहती हूँ. So yeah, thank you guys for being here and watching my video. Always remember that I love you guys. You guys are the best. I love you.